Hello, this is Stefan, and welcome to Random Things Explained channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Imagine waking up one day and feeling the ground shake beneath your feet. At first, you think it's just a normal earthquake, but then you look at your phone and realize something terrifying. It's not just your city. It's not just your country. The entire earth is shaking, all at once. No epicenter. No warning. Every continent, every ocean, every city. So the question is, what would actually happen if the entire planet experienced an earthquake at the same time? Let's find out. First, is this even possible? In reality, earthquakes happen when tectonic plates suddenly release energy along fault lines. They're local events, limited to specific regions. For the entire Earth to shake simultaneously, something far more extreme would have to occur. Possible causes might include a massive internal shift in Earth's core, a catastrophic failure of tectonic plate boundaries, or an external force, like a giant asteroid impact. This wouldn't be a normal earthquake. It would be a planetary-scale seismic event. Within seconds, the shaking begins everywhere. Skyscrapers sway violently, bridges twist and crack, roads split open like paper. Cities built near fault lines suffer immediate collapse. Older buildings fall almost instantly. People can't stand. Vehicles lose control. Power grids begin to fail worldwide. There's no safe zone. No place untouched. Now let's talk about the oceans. A global earthquake would displace massive amounts of water. Tsunamis wouldn't form in just one region. They would form everywhere. Waves over 30 meters high would race toward coastlines from all directions. Entire coastal cities could be erased within minutes. Islands disappear. Ports vanish. Naval fleets are torn apart. The oceans become the most dangerous place on Earth. The Earth isn't just solid ground, it's a connected system. This level of seismic activity would trigger volcanic eruptions across the globe, release enormous amounts of ash and gas into the atmosphere, darken the sky for weeks, possibly months. Air travel becomes impossible. Sunlight is blocked. Global temperatures begin to drop. A temporary volcanic winter could begin. Modern civilization depends on fragile systems, and this earthquake destroys most of them. Power plants shut down. Internet cables snap. Satellites lose ground support. Communication networks collapse. Governments lose contact with entire regions. Emergency services are overwhelmed instantly. Hospitals collapse or lose power. Food supply chains break. Within days, supermarkets are empty worldwide. Survival now depends on location and preparation. People in rural areas may fare better, fewer buildings, fewer collapses. But cities become death traps. Without electricity, water pumps stop. Clean drinking water becomes scarce. Diseases spread quickly. Within weeks, hunger becomes the main threat. Not from lack of food on Earth, but from lack of distribution. If humanity survives the initial disaster, the Earth itself would be changed forever. Coastlines permanently reshaped. New mountains and fault lines formed. Entire regions submerged or uplifted. Some cities would never be rebuilt. Civilization would likely reset to a more local, regional structure. Globalization would end, at least temporarily. Could humanity recover? Yes, but not quickly. Human knowledge wouldn't disappear. Technology wouldn't vanish completely. But rebuilding global society could take hundreds of years. The world after the quake would be quieter, slower, more cautious. A reminder that no matter how advanced we become, the Earth is still in control. A global earthquake is extremely unlikely, almost impossible by natural means. But imagining it reveals something important. Human civilization isn't destroyed by one big event. It's destroyed when systems fail all at once. And that might be the scariest part of all. If you enjoyed this thought experiment, what other impossible scenarios should we explore next? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.